गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, स्वागत है आपका हमारे स्पेशल वीडियो में। मेरे पापा कहते हैं ज़रूरी नहीं ज़िंदगी में सब कुछ सीखना, सिर्फ एक बात सीख लो, सब आ जाएगा। और वो है अपनी मातृभूमि से निस्वार्थ प्रेम। ये वीडियो उन लोगों के लिए है जो भारत के रिच कल्चर और डाइवर्सिटी को समझना चाहते हैं। क्या आपको पता है भारत के पास 28 स्टेट्स एंड 8 यूनियन टेरिटरीज हैं, जिनके कुछ अपने ही खास और अनोखे निकनेम्स हैं। तो आज की वीडियो में हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे इंडिया के स्टेट्स के कुछ फेमस निकनेम्स और उनके पीछे छुपी स्टोरी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं एक सफर भारत के हर कोने से। नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद क्विक इंटरेस्टिंग इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ इंडिया। India is the 7th largest country in the world and also second most populated country with over 1.4 billion people. It is a land of incredible diversity, celebrated for its languages, traditions, cultures and festivals. With 28 states and 8 union territories, each region has its own special nicknames that reflect their history, culture and geography. So in this video, let's explore these unique nicknames and discover what make each state truly stand out. Now, let's start with Uttar Pradesh, also known as the heartland of India. This is not just the most populous state of the country, but also the center of Indian culture and historical hub. It is home to Varanasi, also known as Kashi, which is one of the oldest cities in the world. And also, this state has Ayodhya, the birthplace of Lord Rama, and Mathura, the birthplace of Lord Krishna. Of course, we can't forget Taj Mahal in Agra, the 7 wonders of the world. Truly, this state is one of the most historical and significant states. Now, let's travel to Rajasthan. Often called the land of kings, Rajasthan is a state rich in history and cultures. The brave Rajput rulers found iconic cities like Jaipur, Jodhpur and Udaipur. Rajasthan is also known as land of palaces and forts. One of its iconic fort is Kumbhalgarh Fort, famous for having second largest wall in the world after the Great Wall of China. Another fascinating place is Bhangarh Fort, known for its mysteries and legends, making it one of the most intriguing spots in India. Bhangarh Fort is also known as Asia's hauntedest place. Now Rajasthan. Rajasthan, fondly called Rangilo Rajasthan, because of its colorful traditions, vibrant festival and warm hospitalities. Heading to Gujarat, also known as land of legends. This state is famous for its rich cultural heritage, from majestic Gir National Park, home to ascetic lions, famous for its run of Kutch and white salt desert. This state gave birth to 2 remarkable leaders, Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, and Mr. Narendra Modi ji, India's visionary prime minister. Gujarat is also famous for its festival like Navratri, famous for its Garba dance. Gujarat is also having the tallest Statue of Unity, dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Truly, Gujarat is a state where tradition meets innovation. Now, let's move to Maharashtra, the gateway of India. It is not just a state with Mumbai, it is also the financial capital of India and also the birthplace of great Shivaji Maharaj. Maharashtra is known for its forts, rich culture, and vibrant festivals. Maharashtra has always played a key role in India's history. And also, we can't forget the iconic beaches and hill station of Maharashtra that make this state truly remarkable. Now, let's visit to Punjab, land of five rivers, known for its rich culture and agriculture. Punjab has the famous Golden Temple in Amritsar. Punjab holds the special place in India's history. Its hospitality is unmatched. Its music and dance forms like Bhangra make this state more vibrant in India. Now, let's head to West Bengal, also known as cultural capital of India, known for its art, culture, and festivals. West Bengal has produced the finest poets and artists, including Rabindranath Tagore. The city Kolkata is formally named as Calcutta. You can also enjoy the traditional sweets like Rasgulla here. Now, let's travel to Bihar, often called Land of Buddha, known for being the birthplace of Buddhism, and also the historical Mahabodhi. Next up, we have Uttarakhand, often called Land of God, known for its spiritual Char Dham Yatra and heading to Tripura, also known as Land of Bamboos, because of its rich forest, bamboo culture, and Anakoti rock carvings. Now, let's travel to Manipur, often called Jewel of India because of its scenic beauty and rich. Now, let's talk about Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is not only known as the rice bowl of India, but also famous for its rich culture heritage and spiritual hubs like Tripura. Now, next we have Arunachal Pradesh, also known as Land of Rising Sun. As its nickname, it's witnessed the first. Now, next we have Assam, the tea garden of India, celebrated as its vast tea plantation as well as its rich. Next we have Chhattisgarh, also known as the rice bowl of India, because it is one of the largest producer of rice in India. Over 80% of its population involves in agriculture, and rice is. Now, let's travel to Goa, often called the Pearl of Orient due to its stunning natural beauty, pristine beaches, and rich. Next up, we have Haryana, also known as Milk Pail of India, symbolizes its agriculture, prosperities, and dairy products, as well as its historical significance in Mahabharata. Next up, we have Jharkhand, often called Land of Forest, rich in natural resources, minerals, and scenic landscapes. Next, we have Karnataka. Karnataka is known as the Silicon Valley of India because its capital, Bengaluru, is major hub for the. Next up, we have Kerala. Kerala is not only God's own country but also renowned itself for its backwater, lush greenery, and Ayurveda. Next, we have Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is known as Heart of India because of its historical wonders like Khajuraho and natural beauty like. Next, we have Mizoram, the land of hill people, stand out for its rolling hills, beautiful valley, and. Next up, we have Nagaland, often called land of festivals, recognized by its tribal culture, vibrant traditions, and next up we have Odisha, the soul of India, famous for its ancient temples like Konark Sun Temple and the famous traditional dance Odissi dance. Next we have Sikkim, also known as land of flowers, is admired for its colorful valleys, Himalayan peak and Next we have Telangana, often called the youngest state of India, known for its IT hub in Hyderabad and the Next we have Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, often called land of temples because it is home to thousands of ancient temples. Next we have Meghalaya. Meghalaya is known as Adobe of Cloud because of its lush green valley, heavy rainfall, and last, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is often called land of God, famous for its scenery, temples, hills. As you can see, every state of India has their special nicknames and identities that tell their story of culture, natural beauty, and history. Every state in India add their flavor to incredible. Thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed learning about these fascinating states and their nicknames. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.